If you've ever thought about turning your love of travel into a real income stream, I want to talk to you. Not everyone, just the right people. My name is Kyle Thrower. I've been a founding member and platinum director with Travorium Travel Club for nearly 9 years. In that time, I've personally taken over 42 vacations and saved more than $30,000 on travel. But more importantly, I've helped other people do the same thing. This isn't about convincing your friends and family to buy something. This is about connecting people who already travel or want to travel more with a private wholesale travel platform that gives them access to prices most people never see. And when you share it, you earn. I'm specifically looking for people who are already entrepreneurial. Maybe you're in real estate, insurance, or you've tried other side businesses before. Maybe you just know how to talk to people and you're looking for something with real value behind it. If that's you, keep watching. I'm not going to promise you overnight success. What I will tell you is that this platform is real, the savings are real, and after 9 years, I'm still here, still traveling, still building. That says something. If you're serious about learning more, visit kylesvacations.com or text the word partner to 7027-519-071. I'll personally follow up with you. I'm only looking for people who are ready to treat this like a real business, because that's exactly what it is. Save money, make money, travel for free. Repeat, I'm Kyle Thrower, and I'd love to build something with you.